Okay, so if we have the velocity function and we want to determine the total distance traveled by the object, or by an object, right? Within the interval 2 and 5, we need to take the integral from 2 to 5 of the absolute value of the function. And why the absolute value again? Just because if the function does dip down below, in this case, the t-axis, right? These values here, they need to get shifted upward. And, well, actually, maybe make it a bit more symmetric and realistic. So this gets canceled out, and we need the integral of this, okay? Because essentially it's a total distance traveled, so we're not interested in the direction in which it traveled. So that's why we need to take the absolute value. So in our case here, this is what we need to evaluate. So the integral from 2 to 5 of e to the t sine t. And this is a calculator question, so I can just plug it in. And this is what I plugged in. The whole thing here, oh, actually forgot one set. Like, here we go, one parenthesis that I was missing. This whole thing here represents, of course, my function, the absolute value of e to the t sine of t, but my calculator accepts only the x's, I believe, so I just use x. Then I have to define the variable and put the lower and upper bound. If I plug that in, I obtain 110.452. And that's it. So the answer is D.